Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send a PayPal request. First, open your PayPal app and securely log into your account. Once you are in, look for the Send or Request button, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Give that a tap and then choose the Request option. This is your starting point for easily asking someone for a payment, whether it's for a shared meal or a small service. Next, you need to tell PayPal who you are requesting money from. You can type in their name, email address, or even their phone number into the search bar. PayPal will often suggest contacts from your list, making it super easy to find the right person. Remember, they don't necessarily need a PayPal account already. An email address is usually enough to send the request. Now, it's time to specify the payment details. Enter the exact amount of money you are requesting. It's also a great idea to add a brief, clear note explaining what the request is for. This helps the recipient understand the payment's purpose immediately. Before moving on, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, with all the details confirmed, tap the Request Now button to send your payment request. PayPal will then send an email to your recipient, notifying them of your request. You can easily monitor the status of your request right from your PayPal account, seeing when it's viewed and when the payment is made. It's a straightforward way to manage your incoming funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.